Welcome back to Limitless Works. Right now we're working on a 2010 F150. Replacing the pedal. Has adjustable pedal memory. Okay, so basically you got the 3 bolts. Simple. Holding in right there. Mounts right there. You got the actual pedal plug. And then up here, you can see, that's for the adjustable pedals. Cable goes over the steering column. See if I can get this lit up for you. Goes right in here. I don't know how well you can see. Trying to get a good picture for you. Goes right in there. There we go. Motor right above the brake. It goes in there. This is the setup. It's like an evap line. You just squeeze these 2 tabs together and it pulls right out. I just used a pair of pliers. Took off the side panel, front panel, because you can reach your hand in through here. And also, while you're in there, if you got to ever take off the pedal, you might as well do the actuator for the blend mode door, which is right up there with them 2 screws. See the one at the top left is still sticking out, the bottom right, and that's all they are to get it out. Make sure it's clocked right, and that's it. But it's easier to get to with the pedal out of the way. And they are both 8 millimeters. And the ones for the are 13s for the pedal. And it's simple as that. Figured I'd show it because nobody has nothing on there about how to get that cable out, so forth and so on. So it's very simple. All right, until next time, have a good one.